morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, student, yesterday I had shared the pages of the summary of the chapter, the introduction of the chapter, and the characters of the chapter. That is the beggar from Moment Book. So, as I had told you that, the beggar story was written by Anton Chekhov. It is a story of a poor drunkard beggar named Lashkov who, due to his alcoholism, is no longer able to work and resort to begging in order to survive. So he also begins to lie about his misfortune, hoping to gain others' sympathy. And where Sergei is an advocate who provides work for Lashkov to change him, but it does not work. It is his cook means जो सरगाई एक एडवोकेट थे उनकी जो कुक थी ओल्गा हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द पॉजिटिव चेंज इन हिम. किसके अंदर वो उन्होंने पॉजिटिव चेंज लाया था? लश्कॉफ के में. लश्कॉफ इज़ द नेम ऑफ ए बेगर who had opted the choice of begging rather than working in any organization or anywhere, because he was drunk, all time he was drinking, and he's basically a great alcoholic person. That's why he started begging rather than to work, because due to alcoholism what had happened with him, he was losing all his capability or ability to do the physical work. So as I have told you yesterday that today I will be explaining you the first two pages of the chapter. So the first two pages of the chapter goes like this. Kind sir, have pity, turn your attention to a poor hungry man. For 3 days I have had nothing to eat. I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. I swear it before God. For 8 years I was a village school teacher. Then I lost my place through intrigues. I feel a victim to calumny. It is a year now since I have had nothing to do. So, Kopek means, students, I am just repeating it. Kopek means Russian coin. ठीक है, जैसे हमारे यहाँ रुपीस चलते हैं, दैट इज अ रशियन कॉइन इक्वल टू 100 ऑफ ए रूबल. एंड इंटरग्यू मीन्स कॉन्स्पिरेसी. ठीक है. अ विक्टिम मीन्स सफरर. Calumny means the making of false and defamatory statement about someone in order to damage his or her reputation. So now who is speaking these lines? Lashkov. Lashkov is a beggar. इसका ध्यान रखिएगा. There are the 3 characters in the story. Lashkov who is a beggar. Olga who is a Lashkov के बाद आते हैं आपके Sergei who is an advocate. Then Olga who is a cook she is a female worker. She is a female cook who is working in Sergei house. So now what Lashkov said, kind sir, have pity, turn your attention to a poor hungry man. So what happened? Lashkov said these words to Sergei, and he said that, sir, kind sir, have pity means have some sympathy towards the poor man and a hungry man. For 3 days I have had nothing to eat. मतलब कि 3 दिन से मैंने कोई चीज़ खाई नहीं है. And I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. Now I haven't 5 मतलब कि मेरे पास 5 rupees नहीं है to stay somewhere. I swear it before God, and I swear to God. For 8 years I was a village school teacher, and then I lost my place through intrigues. Means he said that to Sergei that I was a school teacher in a village. For since 8 years he was a school teacher in a village side, and he had lost his job because of the conspiracy in his office. I feel a victim to calumny. मतलब कि मेरे ऊपर झूठा आरोप लगाया था, so that the other person will damage my or destroy my reputation. And it is a year now since I have had nothing to do. और अब इतने साल हो गए हैं कि मेरे पास अब कोई काम नहीं है, 1 साल से, कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकूं. So the beggar claimed that he had been a village school teacher, but he has to lose his job because of some conspiracy planned against him. So he is bound to beg in order to survive. Now, the second paragraph. The advocate Sergei looked at the raked, fawn colored overcoat of the suppliant, at his dull, drunken eyes, at the red spot on either cheek, and it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. Now, in the second paragraph, the means how Lashkov looks. The character sketch of the Lashkov is given, means कैसे उसने कपड़े पहने थे, वो कैसा दिखता था, that was described by advocate Sergei. So Sergei is advocate, and is a well-to-do advocate. So what happened? He saw a beggar came to his door, and his name is Lashkov. So as he looks very poor, and he is wearing a tagged fawn colored overcoat, and he also looks dull, as his eyes was looking like a drunken eyes, and has a red spot on either of his cheeks. And after seeing Lashkov, Sergei thought that he had seen Lashkov somewhere else also. आज पहली बार ऐसा नहीं है कि वो उसको देख रहा हो, वो उसको ऐसा लग रहा था उसको कि he had seen Lashkov day before yesterday or month before, month ago or year ago. He had seen that Lashkov. Now the third paragraph. I have now had an offer of a position in the province of a Kalug. The mendicant went on, but I haven't the money to get there. Help me kindly. I'm ashamed to ask, but I'm obliged to be by circumstances. Now, what happened next? Lashkov said that I have now had an offer of a position in the province of Kalyug. मतलब कि Kalyug means that's a name, and he also said that he has a means he but I haven't a money to get there, means he was mendicant means beggar. Now he said that I have to go some place there, and I have to go there and start my job there, but I don't have a money. So I have started begging for my job so that I can go there. And so help me kindly. I'm ashamed to ask, but I'm obliged to by my circumstances. Means मेरी जो सिचुएशन है वो मुझे बेगिंग पे मजबूर कर रही है कि मुझे बेगिंग करना है, क्योंकि मुझे पैसे कलेक्ट करके कहाँ जाना है, एक जगह है वहाँ पर मुझे जाके आई हैव टू स्टार्ट माई मीन्स जॉब. आई गॉट अ पोजिशन देयर. Now Sergei's eyes fell on the man's overshoes, one of which was high and the other low, and he suddenly remembered something. Now Sergei की जो eyes थी वो कहाँ पर गई? The eyes of Sergei fell on the on Lashkov's shoes, which was one of his shoes was high and one of his shoes was low, and suddenly he remembered Lashkov. Look here, it seemed to me I met you the day before yesterday in a sudden street, he said. But you told me that you were a student who had been expelled and not a village school teacher. Do you remember? अब उसको याद आ गया कि लश्कॉफ को उसने कहाँ देखा था. ठीक है. So he said that, oh, I remembered where I had seen you. Day before yesterday I met you in that Sadhue street, and you told me that you were a student who were expelled, मतलब कि निकाल दिया गया है. ठीक है. Expelled means to be out of that course, expelled and from that school, and you are not a village school teacher. Do you remember? So now what happened? The जो उसका झूठ था, that the lie which he was telling, means Lashkov, वो उसका पकड़ा गया. Look here, it seemed to no, that can't be so, mumbled the beggar, taken aback. I am a village school teacher, and if you like, I can show you my papers. Now he was justifying him. Mumbled means talk under one breath या murmured करना. Taken back मतलब was surprised. So उसने कहा नहीं मैं तो कोई भी, I am not a student, I was a village school teacher, and I have a papers also with me. I can show you. Have done with lying. You called yourself a student and even told me what you had been expelled for. Don't you remember? तो उसने क्या बोला सरगई ने कि झूठ बोलना बंद करो, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड मी वाई यू वर एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट, यू आर अ स्टूडेंट एंड वाई यू आर एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम द स्कूल, और ये तुम्हें नहीं बोलना चाहिए. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक आई लाइक डोंट यू रिमेंबर दैट you have told me why you were expelled from your school. Sergei flushed and turned from the red creature with an expression of disgust. मतलब कि अब उसका झूठ तो पकड़ा गया, तो अब वो क्या बोलता, he was disappointed from his lie. Now this is dishonesty, my dear sir, he cried angrily. This is swindling. I shall send the police for you. डैम यू. तो अब उसने क्या बोला सरगई ने कि दैट यू आर टेलिंग मी अ लाई, एंड स्विंडलिंग मीन्स चीटिंग अ पर्सन फॉर अ मनी, and I will call police if you are not going to tell the truth. So he said that this is a dishonesty, you are asking for a money from everyone, and now he was in a very anger mood. Means who? Sergei, that was an advocate जिससे लश्कॉफ पैसे मांग रहा था. ठीक है. एंड आई शैल सेंड द पुलिस फॉर यू, डैम यू सर, ही सेड, लाइंग हिज हैंड ऑन हिज हार्ट. द फैक्ट इज आई वॉज अ लाइंग. आई एम नाइदर अ स्टूडेंट नॉर अ स्कूल टीचर. All that was a fiction. Formerly, I sang in a Russian choir and was sent away for drunkenness. But what else can I do? I can't get along without lying. No one will give me anything when I tell the truth. What can I do? तो उसने बोला सर, he said, lying his hand on his heart. अब वो जब उसको सरगई ने बोला अगर तुम सच नहीं बताओगे then I will be कॉल अ पुलिस एंड आई विल हैंग यू टू द पुलिस. तो अब उसको डर लगने लगा लश्कॉफ को. तो लश्कॉफ ने क्या बोला कि ही जस्ट पुट हिज हैंड ऑन हिज हार्ट एंड ही सेड दैट सर, all the things which I have told you, that was totally a lie, and the truth is that I was in a Russian choir, but because of my drunkenness, मतलब कि जो मेरी अल्कोहल लेने की जो हैबिट थी उसकी वजह से मुझे कहाँ से निकाल दिया गया, I was expelled from a Russian choir. बट वट एल्स कैन आई डू? आई कॉन्ट गेट अलॉन्ग विदाउट लाइंग. मतलब कि मुझे कुछ भी खाने के लिए झूठ बोलना ही पड़ता है. एंड आई हैव टू टेल एवरी वन द लाई थिंग, मीन्स झूठ बोल के मुझे पैसे मिलते हैं, एंड फ्रॉम दैट मनी आई ईट और आई हैव टू सर्वाइव. नो वन विल गिव मी एनीथिंग when I will tell the truth. What can I do? और अगर मैंने सबको सच बता दूँ कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रिंक करता था तभी मुझे उस रशियन क्वायर से निकाल दिया गया है, तो मुझे कोई काम भी नहीं देगा और कोई मेरी बात पे यकीन भी नहीं करता है. What can you do? You ask what you can do, cried Sergei, coming close to him. Work, that what you can do. You must work. तो वो कहता है कि what can you do? तुम क्या कर सकते हो? ये तो तुम अपने आप से पूछो कि तुम क्या कर सकते हो. What you can do. And he just came closer to Lashkov. He said that कि work, the thing which you can do is the work. Work, yes, I know that myself. But where can I find work? How would you like to chop wood for me? तो उसने बोला work, I know I have to do a work for myself. But who is going to give me a work? और where I will do a work? तो वो बोलता क्या है? Who said this? सरगई कि why don't you chop a wood for me? तो उसने क्या बोला कि तुम wood को chop कर सकते हो मेरे लिए. I wouldn't refuse to do that, but in these days even skilled woodcutters find themselves sitting without bread. So he said that मैं तो कर सकता हूँ, but जो भी वुड कटर्स होते हैं वो भी आजकल खाली नहीं बैठते हैं. ठीक है. So will you come and chop wood for me? तो what Sergei said to Lashkov कि why don't you come to my place and chop a wood for me, and whatever you will chop I will pay you. Yes, sir, I will. Now Lashkov said that, yes, sir, I will. Very well, we will soon find out. Sergei hesitated along rubbing his hand. He called his cook out of the kitchen. तो अब सरगेई ने अपनी किचन से किसको बुलाया? ओल्गा, that was a cook. Here, Olga, he said, take this gentleman into the woodshed and let him chop wood. अब सरगेई ने किसको बोला? ओल्गा से कि जस्ट टेक दिस मैन टू द वुड शेड, जहाँ पर वुड कटते हैं. उनके यहाँ एक शेड था, वो रूम था या जो भी होगा, वो बालकनी से दिखता था. तो वहाँ पर आप जाके यू जस्ट टेक दिस मैन एंड गिव हिम अ वर्क फॉर चॉपिंग अ वुड. The scarecrow of a beggar shrugged his shoulder as if in a perplexity and went irresolutely after the cook. It was obvious from his gait that he had not consented to go and chop wood because he was hungry and wanted work, but simply from pride and shame, and because he had been trapped by his own words. It was obvious too that his strength had been undermined by vodka, and that he was unhealthy and did not feel the slightest inclination for toil. So now the scarecrow. So scarecrow मतलब होता है कि the person who is not like was ashamed by his own work. Now the scarecrow of a beggar shrugged his shoulder, मतलब कि उसे सर अपना झुका के, अपना शोल्डर झुका के कहाँ जाना पड़ा था. Perplexity means state of being puzzled. अब उसे समझ में तो आ नहीं रहा था क्योंकि वो तो वर्क करना नहीं चाह रहा था. ही जस्ट वांट टू बेग एंड फ्रॉम द बेगिंग वट एवर द अमाउंट ही विल गेट, ही जस्ट buy some alcohol and he will drink and then again next day he will do the same thing. So but अब उसकी चोरी पकड़ी गई. उसने जो झूठ बोला था, उसका यही काम था कि सबसे झूठ बोल के पैसे लेता था बेगिंग के ड्यूरेशन में. जब वो बेग करता था वो सबको झूठी स्टोरी बताता था एंड उससे जो पैसे मिलते थे फिर वो क्या करता था, ही जस्ट बाय सम अल्कोहल एंड ही ड्रिंक इट एंड अगेन नेक्स्ट डे ही विल डू द सेम थिंग. सो अब उसकी क्या हुई, उसकी जो झूठ था वो पकड़ा गया. अब सरगेई ने उसको जब वो बोला कि भाई अब आपको मैं काम दे रहा हूँ, यू जस्ट चॉप द वुड फॉर मी, तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, जितना आप वुड चॉप करोगे आई विल पे यू फॉर दैट. तो सरगेई की चोरी भी पकड़ी गई, सॉरी लश्कॉफ की चोरी भी पकड़ी गई. अब उसे ये लगने लगा कि मैं तो झूठ बोला था, मुझे तो कोई काम करना नहीं था, मैं तो झूठ बोल के ही कमा रहा था पैसे, बट मेरी जो चोरी पकड़ी गई उसकी वजह से मुझे वर्क करना पड़ेगा. सो ही वॉज पजल्ड एंड ही वेंट इररेसोल्यूटली आफ्टर द कुक. अब वो मतलब कि हेजिटेंटली और यू कैन से अनडिसाइडेडली वो कुक के पीछे चलने लगा. इट वॉज ऑब्वियस फ्रॉम हिज दैट गेट मीन्स मैनर ऑफ वॉकिंग मीन्स कैसे वो धीमे धीमे उसके पीछे चलने लगा. दैट ही हैड नॉट कंसेंटेड टू गो एंड चॉप वुड बिकॉज ही वॉज हंग्री एंड वॉन्टेड वर्क. मीन्स उसे वुड तो चॉप नहीं करना था क्योंकि वो पहले से ही बहुत भूखा था एंड ही जस्ट वॉन्टेड सम वर्क वन लाइक बेगिंग, बट सिंपली फ्रॉम प्राइड एंड शेम एंड बिकॉज ही हैड बीन ट्रैप बाय हिज ओन वर्ड्स. और वो अपनी ही बातों की जाल में, जैसे पहले जब वो डे बिफोर येस्टरडे मिला था सरगेई से तो उसने ये बोला था कि मैं स्कूल से निकाला हुआ एक स्टूडेंट हूँ, और आज उसी के घर पे जाके वो भीख मांग रहा है और ये कह रहा है कि आई वॉज अ स्कूल टीचर और मुझे कहीं एक न्यू ज्वाइनिंग करनी है जहाँ पर मुझे जाने के लिए पैसे चाहिए एंड दैट्स वाई आई एम बेगिंग फॉर माई न्यू जॉब. तो इस तरीके से ही वॉज ट्रैप बाय हिज ओन वर्ड्स. सो ऑब्वियस सी बात है ही हैज़ टू डू सम वर्क एंड दैट वॉज चॉपिंग अ वुड. बट he was not physically fit, he was unhealthy because he was drinking too much alcohol and that's why he was not physically capable of doing any work. Now Sergei hurried into the dining room. From its window one could see the woodshed and everything that went on in the yard. और तभी सरगई जल्दी से अपनी बालकनी में जाते हैं जहाँ से उनको वो वुड शेड दिखता है, जो भी वुड शेड में वर्क होता है वो उनको वहाँ से वो देख सकते थे. Standing at the window, Sergei saw the cook and the beggar come out into the yard by the back door and make their way across the dirty snow to the shed. Olga glared wrathfully at her companion, shoved him aside with her elbow, unlocked the shed and angrily banged the door. अब क्या हुआ, जब वो सरगई अपनी बालकनी से देख रहे थे तो उन्होंने देखा कि सरगई सॉ दैट द कुक एंड लश्कॉफ वाज कमिंग आउट ऑफ दैट यार्ड एंड दे वर गोइंग इनटू दैट वुड शेड. अब वो वुड शेड में जाके देखते क्या है कि जो ओल्गा होती है वो बहुत गुस्से में रहती है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी उसका जो वर्क रहता है वो बढ़ गया होता है क्योंकि उसको सारी चीज़ें सिखानी होती है. उसका जो कंपेनियन था मीन्स लश्कॉफ, अब उसका कंपेनियन था जो कि उसको सारी चीज़ें उसे सिखाने की, कैसे वुड को कट करना है, कैसे क्या करना है. अब वो क्या करती थी कि जो ओल्गा थी, सो ही सॉ हिज कंपेनियन इन अ वेरी bad manner, and also he just pushed the door and unlocked the shed and angrily banged the door, मतलब कि जोर से दरवाजे को बंद करके उसको लॉक कर देती so that he can start chopping the wood. So students, till page number 63 I had explained you these two pages. Tomorrow again, means day after tomorrow, that is on Monday, I will be explaining the next two pages, and after that we will do the question answers or explanation of the last two pages of the chapter. So till Wednesday or Tuesday I'll finish my course. Till Wednesday I'll finish my moment book, and after that we will go with the that your beehive. I'll start with the beehive. So students, just take care of yourself. Bye bye and take care.